So I know your Tesla Model 3 stinks. It like reeks. Some people have even described it to be as bad as dirty, rotten feet. Unfortunately, the Model 3 has a design flaw that draws water into the heating and cooling system, and this makes this car smell like a locker room. Anyway, today I'm going to show you why this problem happens and then a quick way to permanently fix it. Here we go. So here's the reason you're getting that crazy funk in your Tesla Model 3. So when it rains or you're washing your car, water comes off the windshield, goes through this gap right here into the heating cooling system right here. Now, it's even worse because this actually creates a vacuum. Let me show you. So here's the simple solution to this problem. It's right here. This is basically a gasket that you can buy. I'll have a link to this right down below. It's $20. It runs from this side of the hood to the other side of the hood and will stop water from entering your heating, cooling system. Let's go install it. So first remove the gaskets installed in the car. You basically just pull them down. They have clips and they'll come off just like that. Then do the other side. So now clean underneath the hood so you'll get good adhesion with the new gasket. So next, you just need to remove the adhesive backing on all three pieces. Once you're done with that, it's time to install the gasket. Make sure you install a side and the center at the same time. This will keep them aligned. Then install the other side. Give it a little tap at the end to make sure it locks right in. So when you're done installing the three pieces, this is what it should look like. Next, we need to actually install the rubber gasket. You can see here I used a little petroleum jelly to make that process easier. It will slide through that guide. If you do this, obviously clean it up after. So when you're done installing the gasket, there'll be a little extra hanging off the edge. Just cut that back. Now, if all goes well, this is what it should look like.